Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we unpair earphone to our Samsung phone. Friends, you have paired any Bluetooth earphone and friends you want to unpair. So how can you unpair guys? You don't want to use this earphone. So how can you unpair? So guys, I have got this Ubon earphone. I want to unpair it to my Samsung phone. And guys, now let's see how to unpair. Friends, open your phone setting to unpair your Bluetooth earphones. Then guys, scroll it. Friends, you can see phone connection setting guys. Tap here. Guys, you can see phone Bluetooth setting guys, again click here. As you can see guys, we have paid guys this Ubon Sale 20 earphone and we want to unpair. So guys, setting option right side, click here. Friends, you can see disconnect and rename and unpair option. So friends, you will have to click on unpair guys. You want to disconnect, you can disconnect here. So I will click on unpair and guys, you can see guys, you will need to pair it again guys. If you want to use again guys, you this your Bluetooth earphone guys, you will have to pair again. So we have to click on unpair option. So guys, earphone will unpair, then guys we cannot use guys. If we use, so we will have to pair again. So that's it again. Thanks for watching the video. Bye guys.